Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to change background color of image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Canva to upload the image. After uploading, we can select the image to open it and then go to Open in Editor. Next, make sure that we select the image and then go to Edit and then go to Edit Image panel. We can find background and select it and wait a moment. So the background is selected. We can find the background color here. Alternative, we can go to Tools and Adjust, and then we can go to Adjust Color panel. We can find the color edits here and click. We can find the setting. So we can change the hue value. We can change it to pink, or we can change it to orange. I change it to green, and also we can change the saturation to make it sharp, and we can change the brightness, and we can change other settings of color. So this is how we can change background color of image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.